Hey guys, it's Tory. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, we're going to make a Father's Day card, and I'm going to walk you through it from start to finish. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I did was downloaded the SVG to my desktop. And now I'm going to open Cricut Design Space, and I clicked on New. Next, I'm going to select Upload image, browse, and then I'm going to go to the desktop where I saved the file. And there's actually two SVGs. So let me go ahead and I'll do the first one. And then I like to type in Father's Day. So if I'm ever trying to search for something, it will pop up under Father's Day. Okay, so let's upload this and upload again, browse. I'm going to select the second one and Father's Day. Okay, so let me upload this and let me show you the difference between these two SVGs. So you'll want to select both, and since it has the green border, you know that these two are selected. Then add to canvas. Okay. So the difference between these two, let's move this over here, is one is already put together and one is not. And I don't really know why people do this. If you know, comment below and let me know. I don't know. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one. And the reason being is because then I know what color grays go in what order, and then I can just kind of follow it that way. It's just easier. So whatever one you guys want, you can use. So the next thing I'm going to do is hit save and label it Father's Day card. Okay, and save, because you don't want to do all that work and then it goes away. And hit apply. So let's hit ungroup. Okay, and then this obviously you'll drag over here. So I'm going to go ahead and select this and then click on group. And I'm doing that because it looks like the card is pretty small. It's like almost like a 4 by 4, and I want it to be bigger. So I'm going to unlock this. Let me actually get rid of this too. I like to have the white background. Okay, so this is group, unlock, and I'm just going to make it bigger. So, okay. Then we want to ungroup it, and this would be the color for the dad, and this is the white and gray, okay. And I'm just deciding what colors I want to use. The tie, I am going to pick a different color. So let me see what paper I have, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have no idea what this is going to look like because I'm totally changing the colors. So I'm going to select dad, and I'm going to do like a blue. So I'm going to pick this color blue, and I'm going to keep the white. And then I'm going to keep the gray, and then this gray in the back I'm going to make black, and then this I'm going to change to a silver. So let's do it like that, and then I'm going to do dark blue. Let's do like a navy blue, and the tie is gray, so I want to have white. So we're just going to do white. Okay, you guys. So, I wonder how this is going to look. Okay, so let's hit save. After all that work, I don't want to lose it. And then we're going to hit make it. Okay, so I have my paper here. The first color is silver. So we're going to go ahead and just place it on the mat. And I'm going to add tape just in the corners. And I think I didn't do this corner very well. Let's take that up. Let's get a new piece. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to hit continue. And then we're using a foil poster board. So we need to hit browse all material. And here is the foil poster board. We'll select that. And you know that I selected it because of the green check mark. Then we're going to hit continue. Okay, so I'm going to just hit the arrow button. And then the Cricut button. And then you hit the flashing arrow button. And we'll go ahead and take the tape off. And set it up here because I like to reuse it. Okay, and then just kind of wiggle it out and set it aside. And then we have to switch the paper because we just used foil. So let's load the mat with the next color. So let's grab the gray and place it on the mat. And we'll go ahead and reuse the tape that we just set up here. Okay, so you'll need to hit cancel because if you see here it says foil poster board. So let's hit cancel cut. And then we're going to hit continue. And then we're going to select medium cardstock. Okay, so press the flashing arrow and then the Cricut button. Okay, and then just press the flashing arrow. And then we're going to take the tape off. And since the rest of the paper is all cardstock, we're going to just go ahead and we don't need to go back into browse and change anything. Okay, so this is the first piece. And just set it aside. The next color is white. So I'm going to ahead and load the mat. Reuse my tape. And then, like I said, since it's the same cardstock, we're just going to load the mat again, hit the arrow button, and then just hit the Cricut button. And hit the flashing arrow. Just taking the tape off. Set it aside. And we'll just turn the paper upside down and take this off. And we'll just shake it a little bit, wiggle it if it's stuck. And now it's time for the black paper. Load the mat. And then we'll just put it up here, hit the flashing button, and then the Cricut button. The Cricut, not the Cricut, I'm sorry, the flashing arrow and the tape. This is actually a pretty quick project. It seems so far. There's no scoring involved. You're just quickly printing the paper, and so I think this is going to be a pretty easy one, you guys. Alright, upside down, and if it doesn't come right off, just wiggle. And two more. Next is this pretty color blue. And then I'll just go ahead and do the rest because it's just exactly the same. It's just repetition, just because I don't want to bore you guys. So I'll be right back. It's all cut. And I just want to show you something. Like right here, there's a little bit that didn't come through. You can just use like the weeding tool and then just kind of take it out that way. I'm making it look hard, but it's not. Of course, this one's not going to work super good. Okay, so that's it. That's super easy, you guys. Okay, so let's kind of put this together. And we have this part. This is the tie part, so you know that this is facing down. And then I think we did gray and then white. So we're going to do that. We're just going to set it out first just to kind of see what it looks like, make sure we're doing everything correctly. So it's going to go like that. And then I did white, even though it already has white, just because I wanted the white background. So we're just going to do it like this. And this. And then Dad. That's so cute. Okay, so let's just go ahead and start gluing. And it's already in order. So I'm going to go ahead and get out my glue stick and just go ahead and glue. Okay, and this just is kind of like centered, you know, because it has like, it's like a shadow. So you just leave about the same amount on each side, the best you can. Okay. And then we're going to do this side. Same thing. It's the shadow, so you just want to kind of leave enough of the color about the same around the whole thing, the best you can. Okay, and since I have glue here, I don't want to set this down and get glue on the back of it. So, okay, now let's do the tie first. So apply some glue. And center. This whole thing is center, center, center. Okay? And then the blue. I'm just placing that right on top of the white. And then the number sign. And I got a little glue on the front. I'll show you an easy way to get that off so it looks nice and shiny. And then let's do the Dad. And then also remember that it goes on purple, but it dries clear. And the last thing. This is super fast, you guys, and it's so cute. It's a super fast project. Okay, so let me show you what I can do to get the glue off. One sec. Okay, so this lens wipe is perfect to get the glue like off of foil cardboard. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe that because otherwise it looks like, you know, little fingerprints and smudgy. So, but remember the rest dries, so you don't have to worry about doing anything else. I just worried about this since it had a little smudge. Okay. Isn't that so cute? That's so cute, you guys, and it's so easy. So, so what do you guys think? Comment below, let me know. And as always, thanks for watching my video. If you don't already subscribe and you think this channel's for you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. See you guys in my next video. Bye.